Hey guys, what are you doing?
I'm walking across a little. I'm jumping.
What are those things you're playing with?
Sideways.
Star Wars?
And my favorite spook and I can bring this Obi-Wan.
Oh, are you guys invading the Twin Time family home?
We're trying to find something.
Oh, I see them. How do they have the Force? Can you show me what they do? Do they jump? Do they jump to the top of the house?
They're forcing the chair right there.
They're forcing the chair.
Right there.
Whoa, look at that one, Audrey. Who's that?
A Luke.
That's Luke?
Uh-huh.
Wow, he's got a blue lightsaber.
Obi-Wan do.
Obi-Wan does too?
There you go.
You're trying to move the camera with Luke? Ooh. Alright, you better go back with Obi-Wan over there.
We have to get up because what? Hawk? What is that chair for up here? I'm going to sit on it. Look at you, that.
All in a day is fun. Star Wars is amazing. Talk to you later, guys. Bye. Can you guys say bye? Wave.
Bye.